In this tutorial, I will be discussing the columns of text widget. The columns of text widget can be used to easily display a list of text and pictures in a column. As you can see here on our example, we have a team of lawyers, and this is introducing the team, and there is a title, a subtitle, and an introduction and a picture for each member. So if you scroll down, you can see each one is organized into a neat column, and that's exactly what that widget does. So once you create the widget, this whole area is going to be empty, and you would simply click add a new item to the list. Once you click that, that's going to open up that particular list item, and all of these forms are going to be blank, but we're just using this as an example. So it's pretty self-explanatory once you kind of look into it. You can see here the main title for John Smith, it's going to be the largest, and then the subtitle is going to be directly below that. You can enter your main text right over here, and if you scroll down, you have your images, so you can upload an image or choose an icon from our icon library. As far as the images goes, you can rearrange the position from left to right or above when it comes to desktop. And you can add a button. So if you wanted to link to an email or something like that, you can use that here. Simply watch the buttons tutorial to understand that. And once you've put all of your information for that single list item, you would simply make sure everything's saved, and then you would go back to the main widget page. You can access the main page by clicking the menu up on the top here, or clicking the back button down below here. Once you go back, you would simply click add a new item to the list, and then you would add your second item. You would put the title, the subtitle, add the main text there, add the image there, and any buttons if necessary, and then go down the list. And it's very easy to use and add items to this list. You would put your title up here, so you would see the team, and then the subtitle is right below that. And once you have all your items listed out, you can change like the style and layout. So you see here, this is just a column of 1 on desktop, and it'll be column of 1 on mobile, and it'll be 2 on desktop. So if I wanted to change this to 2 on mobile, you would simply click 2 and then save and update that, and you'll see now instead of a single line, it's now columns of 2 that it's organized into. And we also have the same additional options, just like all the other widgets. You can require this to be users to be logged in order to actually view this, as well as whether this is visible on mobile only or desktop only, and all the same other additional styles as all the other widgets. But as you can see, the columns of text are very easy to use. Simply add your title, your subtitle if necessary, and then add your list items one by one, and it'll automatically organize them, and then you can change the layout and style right here, and you're all set and ready to go.